Hi, me and Morgan are going to be doing a cheer video to Church Bells Ringing. So, there we go. Comments below if you like it. Let me turn down the music.
No, I can move my bang.
Yeah, move your stupid bike, Kayla.
So I'm going to be starting a new channel, and it's going to be called Morgan Duran.
Good or better? The Hyundai Sonata
Bleh.
versus the
It's
Toyota
a
Camry.
stupid ad.
I know, I hate ads.
I know, so do I.
The Camry.
Oh, we're so
But here's the song.
Better is the reason to buy Hyundai.
Come on. Go to the channel. Hurry up before the music starts.
Jenny grew up wild like a Blackfoot daisy, out in the shack with the blue tick hound. Broke as hell, but blessed with beauty, the kind that a rich man can't turn down. She caught the eye of an oil man dancing one summer night in a dime store dress. She had the looks, he had the mansion, and you can figure out the rest. It was all roses, dripping in diamonds, sipping on champagne. But she was all uptown, wearing that white gown, taking his last name. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing, and up in the loft that whole choir singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. And just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing. Yeah, they're ringing. Denny was hosting junior league parties and having dinner at the country club. Everyone thought they were Ken and Barbie, but Ken was always getting way too drunk. Saturday night after a few too many, he came home ready to fight. All his money could never save Jenny.
That's right.
Devil living
That's
in his
right. That's right.
eyes.
Put that beat up there. I swear that's what you
Makeup, dark
are.
sunglasses.
We are
And that next morning,
Amazing
sitting in the
Blue.
back pew,
We
playing
are
with the Baptist.
Amazing Blue.
She could hear
We
those
are Maize and Blue. We are Maize and Blue. 2, 3. Let's go Panthers.
Close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. Just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing.
Let's go Panthers. Number 1.
Jenny slipped something in his Tennessee whiskey. No lawman was ever gonna find, and how he died is still a mystery. But he hit a woman for the very last time. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. He's standing there in a black dress, singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes. Yeah, it's all gonna be alright. And just listen to the church.
Hi, my name's Raylan. I say hi. Met my friend and move on by. Hi, my name's Raylan. I said hi. Look at the person behind me, my friend.
Hi, I am her friend Morgan. Hi, I am her friend Morgan.